హాయ్ నా పేరు ప్రణీత్ కుమార్.
హాయ్ నా పేరు అరవింద్. జెడ్పీహెచ్ఎస్ ఎలగలవంక పాఠశాలలో 8వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఏపీజే అబ్దుల్ కలాం సైన్స్ క్లబ్ లో భాగంగా జూన్ మంత్ ఫండమెంటల్ బిట్స్ చెబుతున్నాను. అందరూ దయచేసి వినండి.
Oxygen content in atmosphere is
21%.
The abundant gas in the atmosphere is
Nitrogen.
Gas released during photosynthesis is
Oxygen.
Gas released during respiration is
Carbon dioxide.
Gas utilized during photosynthesis is
Carbon dioxide.
Gas utilized during respiration is
Oxygen.
The region for why human blood is red in color.
Hemoglobin.
The region for why skin is dark in some humans.
Melanin pigment.
The metal exists in a liquid state is
Mercury.
Number of chambers in human heart is
4.
Number of sensory organs in human beings is
5.
The longest bone in human beings is
Femur or thigh bone.
the smallest bone in human beings is
Steps in ear.
the smallest gland in human beings is
Pituitary gland.
the largest gland in human beings is
Liver.
the largest blood vessel in human beings is
Aorta.
the device used to measure atmosphere pressure is
Barometer.
H2O means
Water.
CO2 means
Carbon dioxide.
the reason for why the leaves are in green color.
Chlorophyll pigment.
The reason for why tomatoes exist in red color.
Lycopene.
The reason for why brinjals exist in violet color.
Anthocyanin.
The term science originated from which Latin term?
Sensia.
Vitamin essential for bright eyesight is
Vitamin A.
vitamin that develops in our body due sunlight.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin available in sure fruits is
Vitamin C.
vitamin useful for blood clotting is
Vitamin K.
biology is the term originated from which Latin words.
Bios and logos.
The virus that causes AIDS.
HIV. Human immunodeficiency virus.
Total number of bones in human beings is
206.
carbon dioxide content in atmosphere is
0.03%.
nitrogen content in atmosphere is
78%.
number of muscles in human beings is
About 600.
example for amphibian is
Frog.
example for flying mammal is
Bat.
example for aquatic mammal is
Whale.
animals that feed their young one with milk are called
Mammals.
number of heart chambers in fish is
2.
number of heart chambers in frog is
3.
which gas is known is laughing gas.
Nitrous oxide.
The metal used in the preparation of electric bulb filament.
Tungsten.
The bacteria present in milk is
Lactobacillus.
the chemical name of common salt is
Sodium chloride.
the common name of sucrose.
Sugar.
The acid present in ant sting is
Formic acid.
the egg laying mammal is
Duck-billed platypus.
the gas present in cooking gas cylinder.
LPG.
The biggest organ in human beings is
Skin.
the reason for why carrots exist in orange color.
Carotene pigment.
The reason for why mangoes exist in yellow color.
Xanthophyll pigment. Tanks.